Good morning. I am Dibyendu Mondal. Today I am discussing about solar photovoltaic system. Okay, solar photovoltaic system. Okay, solar photovoltaic system. Today we discuss about this topic. First one, solar photovoltaic system convert solar energy directly into electrical energy. Solar energy directly converts into electrical energy. Okay, electrical energy. Solar energy directly convert into electrical energy. Okay, and the basic conversion device used is known as solar voltaic cell or a solar cell. Although other light source may also produce photovoltaic electricity, only the sunlight based PV cells are considered in this chapter. Okay. Solar cell is the most expensive component in solar PV system. Okay, solar cell that is the most expensive component. Okay, most expensive component. Okay, most expensive component. Solar cell, that is the most expensive component. The major use of photovoltaic have been in space lattices, remote communication booster station, and marine warning lights. Okay. First one, what is the advantage of solar voltaic cell? What is the advantage of a solar PV system over conventional power system? Okay, what is the advantage? First one, advantage. What is the advantages? First one, it converts solar energy directly into electrical energy. Okay, তাহলে solar energy directly into electrical energy. Okay, তাহলে solar energy directly converts into electrical energy. Second one, solar PV system are reliable. তাই তো, reliable. It is reliable. Okay, modular, durable. Third option, the system are quite compatible. Okay, the systems are quite compatible with almost all environments. Okay, so that is the compatible. Okay, compatible. Another one is the solar PV system can be located as the place of use and hence no or minimum distribution network is required as it is universally available. Okay, these are the advantages. There may be some disadvantages also. Okay, there may be some disadvantages also. Disadvantages Disadvantages. Disadvantages, at present the cost of solar cell is high. Okay, costing high. Okay, cost of the solar cell are high, making them economically uncompetitive with other conventional power sources. Okay. Second disadvantage, efficiency of the solar cell is low. Second one is the efficiency. Low. Efficiency low. Third one, efficiency low. Third one, as solar energy is intermittent, some kinds of electrical energy storage is required. Okay, solar energy is intermittent. Okay, solar energy is intermittent. Some kinds of electrical energy storage is required, which makes the whole system more expensive. Okay. Another one, these are the main disadvantages. Okay. Now we discuss about solar cell fundamentals. Solar cell fundamentals. Solar cell fundamentals. Okay, solar cell fundamentals. First one, the semiconductor. Semiconductor. First one is the semiconductor. The best conductor, silver, copper and gold, have one valence electron, whereas the best insulator, best conductor, silver, gold, okay, have one valence electron. Best insulator have 8 valence electron. Best insulator, 8 valence electron. Okay, best insulator 8 valence electrons. A semiconductor is an element with electrical properties between those of the conductor and insulator. Therefore, best semiconductor Si and Ge. Best semiconductor Si and Ge. Okay, Si and Ge have 4 valence electron. 4 valence electron. Si and Ge 4 valence electron. Various favorable characteristics of Si have made it the semiconductor of choice. It is the most abundant element on earth after oxygen. Okay. Another one, the outermost orbit contains 4 electrons. When silicon atoms combine to form a solid, they arrange themselves into an orderly pattern called as crystal. Okay. Another one, at absolute zero temperature, semiconductor is perfect insulator with no charge carriage available. Okay. At absolute zero temperature, at absolute zero temperature, Okay, at absolute zero temperature, a semiconductor is a perfect insulator. Semiconductor, perfect insulator. Perfect insulator with no charge carriage available for conduction of current. However, when temperature is increased, the vibration of atoms can occasionally dislodge an electron from the valence orbit. The dislodged electron is known as free electron, and the vacancy thus created in the valence orbit known as hole. At any instant, following condition exists within the Si crystal. Some free electron holes are being created. Some free electrons holes are being created. Electron holes are created. Okay, some free electron holes are being recombined. Some free electron holes are being recombined. Some free electron and holes exist temporarily. Okay. Some free electron and holes exist temporarily. Holes exist temporarily. Okay. Another one is our next topic. Okay, our next topic is what is the doping, what is the Fermi level. Okay, doping and what is Fermi level. First one, if you draw the diagram, energy band in any intrinsic Si crystal, energy band, suppose this one is the free electron. Okay, free electron. Okay, this one is the free electron. Conduction band, energy conduction band. Okay, another one is the valence bond, that is the hole. Valence bond. Okay, that is the energy band gap. Energy band gap. Okay, this one is the second band. Second band. Okay, and this is also first band. Okay, so energy band in any intrinsic Si crystal, energy band in any intrinsic Si crystal. Okay, energy band in any intrinsic Si crystal. First one is the doping. The process of addition of an impurity in an intrinsic semiconductor material in order to alter its electrical characteristics is known as doping. Okay, doping. Doping. Doping, the process of addition of an impurity in an intrinsic semiconductor. Addition, impurity. Okay, addition, তাহলে addition of an impurity. Addition of an impurity in an intrinsic semiconductor material in order to alter its electrical characteristics is known as doping. Another one is the Fermi level. Fermi level. Fermi level. Fermi level or characteristics energy for a crystal represents the energy state with a 50% probability of its being filled by charge carriers. Okay, Fermi level or characteristic energy of a crystal, the energy state with a energy state with a 50% probability of its 50% probability of its 50% probability of its being filled by charge carriers. Filled by charge carriers. Okay, by charge carriers. In an intrinsic semiconductor material, the Fermi level lies in the center of the forbidden energy band. Okay. The Fermi level for n-type material is given by one equation is there. Fermi level or for an n-type material, Fermi level of n-type material, okay, material EP is equal to EC minus K ln NC minus ND, NC by ND. EC, conduction band energy, conduction band energy. Okay, conduction band energy. NC, effective density of states in conduction band. NC, effective density of states in conduction band. Conduction band. ND, donor concentration or donor density. ND, donor density. Nd, that is the donor density. K, Boltzmann constant. Boltzmann constant. Okay, and T is the absolute temperature, degree Kelvin. Absolute temperature in degree Kelvin. Okay, this is the n-type material. This equation is applicable for n-type material. Another one is the p-type material. P-type is the, for p-type material, Fermi level for a p-type material p-type material, Fermi level for a p-type material, Ep is equal to Ev plus K ln Nb by Na. Okay, Nb by Na. Ep is equal to Ev plus Kt Nb by Na, where Ev, valence band energy, valence band energy Ev, Nv, effective density of states in valence bond, effective density of states valence bond, Nb. Another one is the Na, acceptor concentration, acceptor concentration. Okay, Na is the acceptor concentration. Okay, that is the Fermi level for p-type material. Okay, position. Now, position of the Fermi level p and n-type material. Okay, first one হচ্ছে intrinsic SI, n-type material for n-type material, n-type material, okay, n-type silicon actually, okay, SI, p-type, তাহলে conduction band, conduction band. Another one is the, that is the Ep. Okay, another one is the Ef, Fermi level, Et, Ef. Okay, and that one is the Ev. Okay, that is the valence band. Okay, valence band. And for p-type SI, p-type SI, for p-type SI, p-type SI conduction band, conduction band, that is the EC. Another one is the valence bond, EV. Okay, valence band EA and EF. Okay, that is for p type Si. Okay, this is applicable for p type Si, that is the energy. Okay, energy. So that is the position of Fermi level in intrinsic n type material and p type Si. Okay, thank you.